When it comes to protein, meat often takes center stage. But there's a whole world of protein-packed foods that can give meat a run for its money. Let's dive into 10 protein sources that pack a punch without being vegan. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition, with one large egg offering about 6 grams of high-quality protein. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source that's hard to beat. Greek yogurt is not only creamy and delicious, but also rich in protein. A single cup can contain up to 20 grams of protein. Plus, it's versatile, perfect for breakfast bowls, smoothies, or as a sour cream substitute. Cottage cheese is another dairy delight, with a cup providing up to 28 grams of protein. It's also a great source of calcium and can be enjoyed sweet with fruit or savory with herbs and spices. Whey protein is a byproduct of cheese production and a favorite among athletes. One scoop can deliver about 25 grams of high-quality protein, aiding muscle repair and growth. Milk is a classic protein source, with 1 cup offering 8 grams of protein. It's also rich in calcium and vitamin D, supporting bone health. Whether in a shake or on its own, milk is a strong contender. Tuna is a fish that's not only rich in omega-3 fatty acids, but also packed with protein. A single can provide up to 25 grams of protein, making it a convenient and lean option. Lentils may be small, but they're mighty in protein content. 1 cup cooked can serve up to 18 grams of protein. They're also full of fiber, which aids in digestion and satiety. Edamame, or young soybeans, are a snackable protein source with about 17 grams per cup. They're also a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin K and folate. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, offer about 15 grams of protein per cup. They're incredibly versatile, perfect for hummus, salads, or as a crunchy roasted snack. Quinoa is a seed that's often used like a grain. It's unique because it's a complete protein, with 1 cup cooked providing 8 grams of protein. Plus, it's gluten-free and rich in minerals. These 10 protein sources are not only strong contenders to meat, but also bring a variety of flavors and nutrients to the table. Incorporating them into your diet can be both delicious and nutritious.